In this video, I'm going to teach you how to keep OneDrive files online only. So in order to keep your Drive files online, you first need to create an account on your OneDrive. To do so, head over to Microsoft.com and under the products, locate OneDrive. From in there, you can create a free account, or if you already have an account, proceed to sign in. So you can sign in on your web and you can also sign in directly on your computer or Windows in order to connect those two together. I'll show you how it looks like on both platforms. So here is my actual OneDrive onto the browser. This is what it would look like directly from here. So you should be able to find right here some details such as files and the likes that you can also find on your computer. I also signed in my actual OneDrive on my computer and here is what it would look like. You can see right here that we have this status and here we have this cloud status. So this represents that under the status, it's available when online only, while this one is available on this device as well. So if you want to actually make a file available online only, what you can do is you can right click on a particular file that have a different icon as I mentioned earlier. Right click on it and you should be able to find this option to always keep on this device. And also, when you click on this free up space, it will implicate that it will only be available online. So click on this right here on the free up space. And as you can see, this icon will change and it should be able to change into a cloud after a few seconds. So once it's changed into a cloud, that means that it's only available online and not already available on local on your actual PC offline. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.